Assalamu alaikum class 2. In maths, today our topic is multiplication. Today we will deal page number 70 and 71. After watching this lesson, students will be able to do multiplication of tens and ones. So let's start our lesson. First of all, I'm going to do page number 70, multiplication of tens and ones. Look at this picture. There are 12 dots on each clock. How many dots altogether? Adil can add 12 dots plus 12 dots plus 12 dots plus 12 dots equals to 48 dots. Instead of counting the dots, Adil wants to multiply to get the answer. It is quicker to multiply. He writes like this. Step 1. First he multiplies the ones. 4 2s are 8. One most important thing is that 4 2s are 8 is the same as 2 4s are 8. Now step 2. He multiplies tens. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4 is the same as 1 4 is 4. That means Adil has 48 dots altogether. Remember that multiplication is simple and quick, but you must know your tables. Now I'm going to do page number 71, multiplication of tens and ones. Question number 1. Follow Adil's steps and complete these. One has been done for you. Follow Adil's steps and first multiply the ones. 6 ones are 6. Next multiply tens. 6 ones are 6. So the answer is 66. The next one is 13 multiplied by 2. First multiply the ones. 2 3s are 6. Now multiply tens. 2 1s are 2. The answer is 26. The next is 21 multiplied by 3. The first one is, first multiply ones. 3 1s are 3. Now multiply tens. 3 2s are 6. So the answer is 63. The next is 32 multiplied by 3. Start with ones. 3 2s are 6. Now tens. 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 96. Next one is 28 multiplied by 0. Start with ones. When 0 multiplies with 8, what number comes? Yes, the number comes 0. Now multiply tens. When 2 multiplies with 0, the number comes 0. So the answer is 0. The next is 41 multiplied by 2. Start with ones. 2 1s are 2. Now tens. 2 4s are 8. So the answer is 82. Now I'm going to do question number 2 of page number 70. Complete these. 1 has been done for you. 10 multiplied by 5. Start with ones. 5 zeros are 0. Now multiply tens. 5 ones are 5. So the answer is 50. 10 fives are 50. Next is 10 multiplied by 3. 3 zeros are 0. Now multiply tens. 3 ones are 3. That means 10 threes are 30. So the answer is 30. Next is 10 multiplied by 7. 7 zeros are 0 and 7 ones are 7. So the answer is 70. 10 sevens are 70. The next is 10 multiplied by 6. 6 zeros are 0. Now multiply tens. 6 ones are 6. That means 10 6 are 60. So the answer is 60. Next is 10 multiplied by 9. 9 zeros are 0 and 9 ones are 9. 10 nines are 90. So the answer is 90. The next is 10 multiplied by 2. 2 zeros are 0 and 2 ones are 2. So 10 twos are 20. So the answer is 20. That's all about today's lesson. Hopefully you understood. Now your homework is to attempt page number 71 on your book. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.